This is done on command, the world's first persistent memory AI business operator. Not another tool that assists you, an operator that executes. You've been prompting, and prompting gets you drafts. Commanding gets you delivery. Businesses don't pay for AI. They pay for it's done. For the next 8 minutes, there's no pitch. I'm just going to run it right in front of you, in real time. One session, start to finish. Watch what gets delivered. Let's say I just landed a client, a local bakery called Bub's Bakery. They want what every business wants: a page that sells, videos, emails going out, socials running, leads coming in. Normally that's a team. Today it's one operator. Watch their first day. Step 1, I give my client their own business inside my command center. Now watch this field, because this is where the magic starts. I paste in my client's existing website, and the operator reads it. It pulls their logo, their colors, their fonts, their tone of voice, their offers, and builds what we call the business memory. I explain this business 0 times. And if your client doesn't have a website, or you don't even have a business yet, leave it blank. Type a name and an idea, and it builds the entire brand from scratch. A website is optional. A business is optional. That's how early you can start. And there it is, memorized. Colors, voice, offers, the facts it should never get wrong. It keeps this current on its own from here forward. Every single thing you're about to watch gets produced from this memory, which is why it all lands on brand from the first draft, and why I will never re-explain this business again. Not tomorrow, not in month 6. Before anything else, I'm placing the most expensive order first. A spokesperson promo video from one photo of the owner. Out in the market, a finished 30-second promo runs $1,500 to $2,500. I just ordered one in a chat message. It renders in the background while we work. Scripted, voiced, B-roll, captions, edited. No editor, no separate video wallet. We'll collect it at the end of this session. Order number 2. Launch a Mother's Day pre-order page. Not design one, not draft one. Launch one. Here's the preview. Her pastries, her colors, her voice. I didn't brief any of that, the memory did. Want to change? You don't open an editor, you tell it. Make the headline bigger. Add urgency to the button. I approve it, and now click through with me, because this is the moment other AI can't give you. That is a real URL. Hosted live. Taking pre-orders, connect the client's own custom domain, and it's fully theirs. Nothing was exported, nothing was pasted into another builder, nobody touched hosting. On the open market, this page is a $500 to $2,000 deliverable. It's been live for 30 seconds. And don't let the word page undersell this. Order a full website, multiple pages, navigation, the works, and it ships the same way, built, hosted, up and running. Want a different look? Hand it a reference screenshot, any design you admire, and it builds from that instead of the brand memory. The brand kit is a default, not a cage. Next order, a lead magnet, a quiz her visitors will actually take. Built, published, live at its own link. Every completion becomes a lead, automatically. And leads land here, from this quiz, from the page forms, or imported from a spreadsheet. Export anytime or sync straight into the email list. Leads are never quoted, never held hostage. They belong to the business. Understand what just happened. My client now has a lead generation system. Day 1. Most businesses she knows don't have one at all. Now, the money channels. Draft the Mother's Day announcement to the list. It writes it in her voice, and then it stops. Right here. Because this is the rule of the entire platform. Nothing sends, posts, or publishes until you say yes. Every department, every task. Your AI never freelances with a client's reputation or yours. I approve. And it's sent. And here's the detail experienced marketers will love. It sends through the business's own autoresponder. GetResponse, Go High Level, Bravo, MailChimp. Their list stays their list. No sending limits from us. Email management like this bills $500 to $3,000 a month. Same command style for social, schedule the month, a full calendar across the connected networks, planned, on brand, and look at the status, awaiting my okay. I approve, and it publishes on schedule whether I'm at my desk or not. Social management, $750 to $3,000 a month out in the market. And one more thing. Today I've only connected one network, but this same calendar schedules to Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, X, Pinterest, and plenty more. Connect a network once, and every command after that can post to it. One more hire for her, the front desk, a 24/7 chatbot for her website, trained only on her own knowledge base, so it answers what's true and never makes things up. One question in the preview, answered. One snippet on her site, and she's got someone at the counter around the clock. And here's that chatbot earning its keep, live on the real site. A visitor clicks the bubble and asks something specific. Which products are oat-free? Straight answer, pulled from her own knowledge base. No making things up. No, let me connect you to an agent. That's a customer served at 2 in the morning. By the way, every asset you've watched it create today, the images, the videos, the graphics, plus anything you upload yourself, lands in the business's media library, one place, reusable in any future order. Now, everything you just watched me do from this dashboard, I can do with no dashboard at all. Connect Telegram, and the entire operator lives in a chat on your phone. And picture the sales meeting this creates. You're sitting across from a prospect at lunch, you type one message, and their page is live before the coffee arrives. You didn't describe your service, you performed it. Deals close on the spot like that. And when the client asks, "Can I see it?" you hand over the keys on your terms. Team access, her email, a password, done. She logs in and sees her business, her brand, her dashboard. Never your other clients, never your credits, never us. Done on command is invisible to her. Give her the login and charge for the system, or keep it and charge for the work. Either way, you're the agency now. And here's how invisible we really are. Her login lives at a neutral portal address, no done on command in the URL, none on the dashboard. To your client, this is simply your agency's platform. That's white label access you can package, price, and sell. And the order I placed at the start of this session, delivered.
This Mother's Day, treat the special mom in your life to something truly delicious. Bub's Bakery is NYC's first top 9 allergen-free bakery, so every mom can indulge. Pre-order your treats today before spots run out.
Look at it. The owner on camera, voiced, B-roll, captions burned in, on brand, from one photograph, while we did everything else. So run the receipt with me. One session, one client, a live page, a rendered promo video, a campaign sent, a month of social scheduled, a lead magnet capturing, a front desk answering. At the floor of published market rates, that's over $3,250 of work businesses pay for, delivered in one sitting by a platform you buy once. And businesses pay $500 to $3,000 a month, every month, for someone to keep this running. One client at the bottom of that range covers this entire platform in month 1. 7 departments, 1 memory, 1 approval gate, no API keys, no wallets, nothing else to buy. Because from now on, it gets done on command.
If you buy through my link, I'll give you a free bonus package valued at $747. The bonus is a course, not a PDF, designed to help you earn up to $10,000 per month. To claim it, please take a screenshot of your purchase and send it to me on Facebook. I'll send your free bonus right away.